if you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I am Guna Mathivanan from Office's IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Iron Dome. Iron Dome. So Iron Dome in the context of Israel, Hamas, Gaza issue, it was in news. So to understand Iron Dome, first we will understand what is anti-missile system. To explain anti-missile system, let me explain what is S-400. So S-400 is an anti-missile system which India has. S-400 is an anti-missile system which India has. So let me explain S-400 so that I get an opportunity to explain two concepts here. So, assume this is the S-400 missile. Okay. Right. So look at this, there's a radar. Now this radar will intercept the incoming missiles. So this S-400 is an system, anti-missile system which we have it in India. One of the most powerful anti-missile system which we have in India. Now assume that an enemy missile, assume an enemy missile which is coming to target India. There's an enemy missile which is coming to target India. Now this radar will sense the incoming missile. It will sense the incoming missile. Right? When it crosses 400 kilometers only, when it crosses 400 kilometers only, it can sense at a distance of 400 kilometers only, our radar system can sense the incoming missile. Once the incoming missile is sensed, then automatically this S-400 missile system will be launched. So this S-400 missile system, so that will be attacking the incoming missile system at a distance, and in the air only everything will be destroyed. So anti-missile system is nothing but a system which will have radars. That radars will work with the help of batteries. These radars will sense the incoming missile. Based on the incoming missile, it will automatically expel an outgoing missile. That missile is going to destroy the incoming missile at a distance. This is called as anti-missile system. Now Israel, in the context of Israel, they also have anti-missile systems. Israel actually has 4-layered anti-missile system. 4-layered anti-missile system. The first layer is called as Iron Dome. The first layer is called as Iron Dome. So look at this. Look at this image, you will understand. So there is an enemy rockets which is fired. The enemy rockets is coming towards Israel. Now Israel has a radar system. That radar system has control systems and it has launcher. So when the enemy rocket comes, automatically this radar system will go and destroy the incoming missile, so that Israel is protected. So Israel, assume this is Israel. Assume this anti-missile systems is located at 10 different areas. So enemies from any direction, if they launch a missile, Israel is completely protected through like an iron dome, because whatever incoming missile comes, because in 10 locations Israel has kept. So the radars are so powerful to ensure that nothing is coming inside Israel. Whatever missile comes, whatever missile is launched, that will be destroyed in the air only. Okay. So this anti-missile system of Israel is called as Iron Dome. But Iron Dome is not the only anti-missile system which they have. They have 4-layered anti-missile system. Right? The first layer, that is all short range missiles. whatever missile which is fired at a distance of 70 kilometers, right, it will sense, it will destroy. There is next level of system which is called as David's sling, that will sense up to 300 kilometers of incoming missile. Then we have Arrow 2, that will sense up to 1000 kilometers. Arrow 3, 2000 kilometers. If some missile is launched at a distance of 2000 kilometers also, this radar, this Arrow 2 radar will sense it, it will trigger an missile, it will destroy in the air only. It has 4-layer defense system. In the case of the Gaza, the Hamas attack, the short-range missiles were sent to Israel. The Iron Dome of Israel was ensuring that all the incoming missiles are destroyed in the mid-air only. So because of these reasons, it was in news.